Hello everyone, this is Muti. Welcome to Key Automation classes. So in the last class, we have seen how to create a test case and how to pass the driver control from the test case to the page class, and how to create the object of the page class and start calling those methods, right? Whatever the methods you want to use in the test case, right? And then we have also asserted the page title, right? But we did that within the test case. So which I told is a not a good approach to do it, because since this is a action that should be done in a page class. Okay, so we'll move this statement with this one to the page class. Okay, so before that, again, this is like expected value, right? And it might change tomorrow. There might be some page title change. They want to change it to some other title, they might change it. So we don't have to go into the code and then directly change it, right? So this can also be externalized, right? Instead of putting them in the code, we can externalize them to the properties file. And these are the changes what we are going to look to today. Okay, so in today's session we'll be looking into this externalization of the this expected title in the properties file, and what are the changes we need to make. Okay, so without further delay, let's get it started. Okay, so we said expected title equals to automation exercise sign up slash login. So directly let's take this and put it into our properties file. So since we were writing this inside the this page class, right, inside the inside the test class, we are saying this is open login page. So what is the expected title? That means we are expecting the title for this login page, right? But now since we are changing, like we are not keeping it here anymore, we have to move it into the configuration properties. Here for each page we can have the different titles, right? Home page, this is expected title for the sign up or login page. Similarly, there are so many other pages, right? If I go to the some test cases page, there's home, like the title will be different. If I go to the contact us, the title will be different, right? So here we should make it distinct, right? So you can say expected sign up login page title or something, right? Expected, sign up login. Okay, expected sign up login title, correct? So now sign up. Okay, sign up login title equals to automation exercise sign up slash login. First step is done. Okay, so we have updated configuration dot properties with the expected page title for the sign up login page. Okay, so now what changes we need to do in the home pages? So let's go to the home pages. We have to read this configuration dot properties file and get this expected value in the home page, right? Otherwise, against what we are going to verify, right? So this is the home page. In the home page, we need to read the configuration.properties file and load the expected title from it, and then we have to create a method that is will be, maybe we can say it as a verify title method, and we'll use that assert equal, right? And it will assert the expected result with the actual result. So let's see. So the first thing is web driver. Okay, so now how to read the properties? We have already seen how to read the properties. So let's say properties. Okay, so let's say prop equals to so now let's define here in the down, we'll assign it. Okay, and what else we need? We need the expected title. So now let's say private string expected title. Okay, so why private? Because I'm trying to make its accessibility within this class only. Okay, so private string expected title, we have defined the properties prop. Okay, so now, so we already have our private web element sign up or login, right? This is already there, right? And then we have to define the method, right? Verify title method. So let's verify this title method. So create a new method, public void, and we'll say verify title. Verify title or page title, you can give whatever you guys are following in your organization, you can accordingly choose the name. Okay, so I'm just saying public void verify page title. So here first what I need to do, we have already created the variable or the instance of this properties. We have not yet assigned to the object, right? So let's say let's prop equals to, so new properties. Okay, new properties, new properties, prop equals to new properties. And here what we're going to do, after creating the new properties, we are going to load it, right? So let's say prop dot load. So in the load, what we are going to load, we are going to load the this is homepage dot class, right? So let's specify homepage dot class, homepage dot class dot. Okay, so get class loader we have to use, right? So get class loader. So get class loader, dot get resource stream. and we have to pass our properties file name. That is nothing but configuration dot properties, right? So okay, so we have already loaded. Okay, so okay, so it is going to generate the unhandled exception. We have to put that inside the try catch. Okay, so from here let's put try, and let me do this. Okay, and here let me put the catch only, catch exception e, and e dot print stack trace. Okay, done. So now I have just loaded the properties file. Okay, and after loading the properties file, we have to read that property value. So what is the property value? So prop dot get property. Okay, so prop dot get property, and string key. What is the key? Let's go to the properties file and get the key. So this is the key, right? And this is the value. So let's put that key within the double quotes. So this is the key I want to get. Okay, the keys value I want to get. So after getting this, we have to store it somewhere, right? Where to store? We have already defined a string, right? Expected title. So let's put that here. So let's say expected title equals to prop.get property expected sign up login title. Okay, so now we have the information of the expected page title, but what we are going to get from the actual driver, right? So in the actual, when driver is in the that page, sign up or login page, from there we'll say driver.get title to read the value, right? So for that, let me do quickly a s out. We'll just print expected page title is okay, sorry. So expected page title is, and let's plus expected title. I just want to see on the console what is the expected page title, right? And let's see then driver, right? So okay, so now what we need to do, then expected page title we already got, and now we have to do match it with the actual page title, right? So let's say again asset. See, the asset you have to import from the test engine. Okay, so asset dot asset equal. Okay, this time we'll also go with the equals. Last time also we have seen, right? Asset equals. So what we need to pass? Expected title, right? This is our expected title. Okay, so expected title comma, let's say driver dot get title. Okay, okay, so expected title and driver dot get title, it is going to verify. If you want, right, how we have given, right? So expected title page title mismatching, also optional message also you can give. Okay, so let's put the message also, home page. Okay, get title and comma. Okay, and after this we can say one another SOP statement is out. Let's say assertion is passed. Okay, so we can say the expected page title is matching with the actual page title, right? So title is matching with the actual page title. Okay, so this is what is the code, but here also we are doing something wrong. What is that wrong thing we are doing here? If you see this assertion or the matching, whatever the get title we are doing, right, we are trying to retrieve the title from the page and we are asserting this, right? But this is which page title? If you ask me, right, if we go here, this is home page, and now we have clicked on the sign up or login, right? So now when you say sign up slash login, so now this is a separate page. This is a sign up or login page. This is not anymore the home page, right? So home page is this page. This is the home page. After clicking on the sign up or the login page, we are in the sign up or login page. We are not anymore in the home page. So ideally, when we are verifying the page title verification should be done in the sign up or login page class, not in the home page class. But here, what I'm doing inside the home page class only, if you see, this is my home page class only, right? Inside the home page class only, I'm writing that expected like verification, right? Assertion I'm doing over here, but this is wrong. Okay, so since I don't have the that class created, I just defined it here, but going forward we will again put that into the new class, like that new page class. When we create sign up or login, we have to put it there. So this is another way I just want to know, like the driver cannot distinguish, right, in which driver, like if you write driver to find the expected title, now the driver in the login page, right? Login page or sign up page. But in the home page we're writing, right? It doesn't understand, right? So driver has the control now. Driver is saying, okay, so I'm in the current page. I have to get the current page the URL. So this is up to the developers who are developing the code. They have to see, okay, if you are properly placing whatever page class related things, you have to put in that particular page class. That's how you have to set it up, right? So driver doesn't have that knowledge, right? Driver will, if here also I'm writing, right? So now the same driver is there, right? In the page class I'm saying home page, right? But in turn, actually, if you see, it is not anywhere in the home page. Where it is in the sign up or login page, and here we are getting the title, right? So that's what I'm saying. So whenever you do, right, this is a better practice. You have to always remember in which page is your control, driver control, and in that page only you have to write that one, that particular method or verification method. As of now, I just wanted to show you, like, if I put this one also, there won't be any problem. It will execute properly, right? But this is not the proper way to design your framework. You have to, anyhow, you have to, this is, since the verification of the title you are doing inside the login page or the sign up page, you have to go to that page. We have to create that page class, and inside that page class we have to do this assertion, right? So but let's go and try to run this one and see if it is working or not. Okay, so let's go to the login page. Okay, so okay, we have to make some changes, right, in the login page. So this one we have to comment it, and okay, so we have verified, click sign in, right? And then again with the home page we have to call this function, right, dot verify title. Okay, so now this one also we don't need. I'll just comment it out, and after running we might delete them as well. Okay, so now let's save it and we can run. Okay, so right click and run. Okay, opened, maximized, went to sign up page, and then verified. Something is wrong. Okay, so page title is mismatching. Automation exercise hyphen sign up slash login. There is something. Okay, oh, I have given in the actual double quotes. Let's see. Click to see the difference, right? Okay, fine. So sorry, this is my bad. We should never give the double quotes. It's always key value, right? So let's run it and see. Run. Okay. So the main takeaway from this session or this class is you have to put the proper methods in the proper classes. Okay, page classes. Here I'm putting just to show you, but this is not the right way to do. Okay, that is the main takeaway here. So okay, so properties from dot properties file is Chrome setup. It's still running. Okay, let's wait. Verify title. Okay, okay, started. Maximize, yes. Clicked on sign up or login page, verified, and test case is passed. Okay, so if you see URL from dot properties file, this is the URL, and then expected page title is automation exercise sign up slash login, and assertion is passed. Expected page title is matching with the actual page title. All right, so this is how you can do the assertions. Okay, so let me get rid of these unnecessary codes. Okay, and this one also, right? So always remember to externalize your in anything that is not the code, right? That is not part of the code, right? This page title and all, right? Data, some data is there, right? So they should always be externalized. They should not be hard coded inside your test, inside your code, right? Test case or page class, right? It should not be hard coded at all. So that's all to this session. Okay, so next session we'll be seeing log4j. Why log4j? If you see, these are the SOP statements I'm printing, right? So we'll discuss about it more in the next session when we go to the log4j. Okay, thank you everyone. If you guys are really enjoying these sessions, I will request you to subscribe to my channel and please share this with your friends and colleagues, right? And if you guys have any questions, please put them in the comment section. There is a link to WhatsApp as well as the Telegram channel. Also, please go and join there, and I'll be coming with the new concept, new YouTube search with the question and answers. Okay, so yeah, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you guys. Bye bye.